Good morning, guys. This is my cat Cheese. He's trying to get my breakfast. I'm eating string cheese and he wants some. And then my dog is on the floor trying to get my cheese too. I'll share a bite with Jack. And then I'll share a little bite with my cat. And I'm eating the rest, guys. Okay. We are on chapter 2 of our new story. Do you remember it's called For the Birds? This is chapter 2, but do you remember what happened yesterday? What happened in the first chapter? What did Tock and Alf want to do? Right, they wanted to plant a garden. So they went and got a garden plot, and they had to stay in that long line, and the other super kids went and got the seeds, and they used their super kids money from their club fund. So let's start by reading, and we're going to read with inflection, and we're going to make sure that we stop at the periods and make our voice excited with the exclamation points. So follow along with me. Chapter 2. We got a plot, said Alf. Did you get seeds? Hot Rod said, yes. Tack and I got corn seeds. Oswald and Lily got carrot seeds. Edabetta and Sal are planting beans. Peas for Tick and me, said Doc. Radishes for me, yelled Fritz. And beets for Icky and me, said Cass. Looks like they all got seeds. I wonder if they got any before Alf and Tock. Turn the page. What kind of seeds did you get for Alf and me? Asked Tock. Oh no, said Doc, we forgot you. Oh. Alf and Tock were disappointed. They had waited in line so long. Well, said Tock, you can start planting without us. Alf and I will go find some seeds. I wish we could buy seeds, said Tock, but there are no coins left. My mom puts bird seed in our bird feeder, said Alf. We could plant some of that. Let's try it, said Tock. Alf lifted Tock up and she grabbed a handful of bird seed. Oh, I wonder if that's going to work. Turn the page. Alf and Tock went to the garden. Tock pointed to a spot. Let's plant our seeds there, she said. They will get lots of light. So I'm going to ask some questions. You're going to have to draw some conclusions with these questions. How do you think that Alf and Tock felt? Well, first of all, what happened? You're right, they all bought seeds for themselves, but they forgot Alf and Tock. And how do you think that made those two feel? If I look at their face, they're not crying and having a fit. It looks to me like Alf has an idea of how to get some seeds, but I think Tock was really, really disappointed. But they weren't grouchy or mad. They figured out a solution. And do you remember what the solution was to the problem? What did Alf say? Right. Tock wanted to buy seeds, but there was no money, no coins left. And so Alf said, let's try my mom's bird feeder because they put seeds in the bird feeder. And he picked her up and she grabbed some of those seeds. Now, do you think those seeds are going to grow? I'm anxious to find out what happens. They seemed determined, and then when they got back to the plot, chose a spot, and she said because it will get lots of light, because seeds need light and water and dirt to grow, just like we planted yesterday. I hope you're having fun reading these Super Kids stories. I enjoy the stories, and I can't wait to see if their seeds grow. Read this a couple of times. Make sure when you're reading, you're stopping at the periods and making your exclamation points sound exciting. And have a good day.